Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Flipkart and have the gift card code ready. Once done, open the app or website and locate the coupon or gift card entry area. This is usually in the account or payments section. You need the exact code and, if provided, a PIN. Make sure your account email matches the one used for the card to avoid verification delays. Doing this first saves time during checkout and prevents later errors when you apply the value to an order. Once your card is ready, proceed to checkout and select the payment screen where gift cards or promo codes are accepted. You type or paste the entire code exactly as shown. Hyphens and capitalization can matter, then hit apply. If the card doesn't cover the total, choose split payment and pick a secondary method. This prevents order drops. Also, confirm the displayed deducted amount so you know the remaining balance. This step ensures the platform correctly registers and reserves the gift card funds. To finish, complete any remaining payment steps and confirm the order. Keep the order ID and payment summary for your records. If the code is rejected, pause and re-enter it carefully, verify expiry, check for partial use, and ensure the card is valid for your account region. If the balance shown differs or an error persists, take screenshots and contact Flipkart support through the app chat or helpline. Provide code, order ID, and proof of purchase. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.